roots must really be. Don't see anything coming out the bottom, but it's rooted in. Okay, I don't want to waste good soil. Nice, healthy. Okay, there we go. Put a little biotone. Although I don't think I really need it. Absorb some of the shock of being just snatched out of your nice bed. Make sure that's sitting right. Filled with your same soil. Yep, that looks good. Alright, we'll come back through and put some more mulch on it. This poor guy. We'll see. Oh, maybe we'll just sit you right in here. Give you some fresh soil. Very strange. Very strange. That's the plant world. You know, sometimes they're temperamental, like people. Just did not want to be there for whatever reason. And the thing is, it was doing fine until the other one came in. See the one over here? After planting that one, and it is doing good. Got new growth coming, so it's very interesting. Okay, so this will be a hosta bed. Now I have the rabbit guard and the deer guard in. The hostas will be okay here. So I'm gonna plant have one or two others. These two put the other two. I'll place the other two hostas. Now I know these are Patriots. I forget the name of this one, the one with the yellow-green center part. And then I have this one over here in the pot. And that's all green. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, see the one in the pot? That's solid green. So I'll just make this the Hosta and juniper bed. Well, we'll just call it the shade bed because everything here likes part shade. Dappled sun, part shade. All right, but yes, it looks good. And we'll nurse that other Brunnera. And we'll come back with the final results.